How to get a W16 engine or a car that have a 1695 horsepower. First, get a 1000 coins to buy you a car that have a W16 engine or a car that have a 1695 horsepower. And as you see above, I am selling my Subaru BRZ or Toyota 86 that have a Liberty Walk kit and a bunch of decals put on top of it for 1000 coins. Now that we got our 1000 coins, let's go to the world sale and see what are the cars that have a W16 engine or a car that have a 1695 horsepower. The first car that have a W16 engine is a 1960 to Ferrari 250 GT that have 1695 horsepower and are free sirens. The second car that have a W16 engine is a Mazda RX-7 FD that have 1695 horsepower and a wide body kit. And that's how you can get a car that have a W16 engine or a 1695 horsepower.